In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trim in Excel. If you've ever copied data from emails, web pages, or other files and found mysterious spaces that break sorting, filtering, or lookups, this is for you. The trim function quickly cleans up extra spaces so your text behaves the way you expect. Start by choosing where you want the cleaned result to appear. Click a cell that will hold the tidy version of your text. Many people prefer using an empty column next to the original data, so the raw values stay intact and you can clearly compare before and after. Now type the formula. Enter an equals sign, then type trim, followed by an open parenthesis. Next, select the cell, or the range reference, you want to clean. If you click a single cell that contains your messy text, Excel will insert that reference for you. Then close the parenthesis. It should look like this conceptually. Equals, trim, open parenthesis, your cell reference, close parenthesis. Press Enter to run the formula. Instantly, Excel removes leading spaces at the beginning, trailing spaces at the end, and collapses any run of multiple spaces inside the text down to a single space. For example, Sales Report becomes Sales Report, which makes it much easier to match with other fields, create consistent lists, or build reliable pivot tables and lookups. A few quick tips to help you get the most out of this. If you're cleaning a column of entries, you can apply the same formula to the rest of your rows by filling it down. Excel will adjust the cell references automatically as it goes. If you compare the cleaned results with your original data and don't see a visible change, that usually means there weren't extra spaces to remove. And if you still notice odd spacing after using trim, the issue might be non-breaking spaces that sometimes come from web pages. Trim focuses on standard spaces, so in those rare cases, you may need to pair it with other text cleaning functions. Once your text looks right, you can keep the formula in place or replace it with its final value if you prefer a static result. The key idea is simple. Click the cell where you want the cleaned text, type the trim formula with the reference to your original text, and press Enter. With that, you'll have cleaner, more consistent data that's ready for sorting, filtering, and dependable analysis.